Today we're going to be fixing the stabilizer posts and replacing the tips on my Razor Crazy Cart. I'm going to go step by step on how to replace the tips. I'm also going to fix this dented post and replace the tips. A link to this tip is in the description and also above. So without further ado, let's get after it. This is what the new tips look like. They come in a variety of colors. They also come with 4 new screws. Let's first start with the easy one. We're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're just going to remove the screw from the top, and then there's one on the bottom. I'm going to use a larger flathead screwdriver to pry it out. There we have it. The old one's pretty worn down, as you can see here. It's pretty much gone. Go ahead and install the new one. Line up the holes with the top and the bottom. Push it in. Utilizing the new screws. Install one top and bottom. There we have it. We've got the new one installed. Now moving over to the one with some damage. First thing, remove the old screws. Let's try putting a little hammer in here and using the round part as leverage. There we go. Just be careful when it slips. If it's really dented, you may need to use a screwdriver and a hammer like this to pound it out. This post really got messed up from the previous owner. It might even be better just to replace it. You can get replacement posts from Razor. I think I can make this one work. You could also use a crowbar, stick it in there like this, get your leverage. Get that rounded out. If you're still having trouble getting that to engage, what you could do is take a razor blade and add taper to this so that it'll be easier to install. Just going to take a little bit off because once it's in there, it's cylindrical. Just getting past this dented opening. Another option is to take a file and just file that one side down a little bit. Now you can see that it's starting to engage a little better, and I can definitely hit it with a mallet to get it engaged. Go ahead and file this a little more. You can also take a grinder and grind that out, or just lightly file this to deburr the edges so it'll slide in easier. All right, let's go ahead and install this. I got that little chamfer on there, or lead-in edge, and line up the screws, holes. There we go. A little bit more. There we have it. Now install the screws. And then one on the bottom. All right, there we have it. We got the new tips installed on the stabilizer post. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments. I hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.